Saan yun? May ilaw eh.
Kuwabara, Kuwabara.
Awesome design.
Sokolov. They wanted us to return Sokolov.
You mean the Soviets pulled out of Cuba just to get their hands on Sokolov?
That's right.
What the heck?
Ruins of a bridge. Maybe it's the same one from the image. I could try to...
What do you want, Ulvund? Some kind of payment?
My dear magistrate, you think I can be bought? If you want that whistle blown, all you have to do is have your soldiers removed.
Ay, commander, tinamaan sa ata.
Grabe siya. Napakamahal daw ng pagkain. Oh, yes, yun pa. Napakamahal ng pagkain. Kaya tipid talaga kami doon. Yung tipong waffle nga lang eh. Parang...
An image from the old world. Looks like some kind of building in front of sheer cliffs. The image is incomplete.
Bilis, bilis. Mauricio Dominguez Tomoy na Namora. Planning to say about an adventure opportunities. I remember my younger sister yun. Kanino to? Aiba. Takashi Aiba. Kaya kayo mga multo kayo. Kanya-kanya pa kayo dalang pamalo ah.
Na ako yung gagawa ng content. So ang function ng mga web page ng mga website dati is to disseminate information. 'Di ba? Para siyang ano
sakto 7 hours.
Not forget that it was the Karja.
I'm not done. The sinkhole only formed due to your unauthorized blasting in the southern mine, Ulvund. You are responsible for the machine.
Ay, tama ba? 3 days nga lang ba yun? O 3 days, 2 nights? Parang ganon. Hindi ko malala kung ano yung parang package namin dun eh. Pero, yan sa 2 weeks mo, TJ, marami kang magagawa dyan eh.
What's the matter?
I don't know you well enough to trust you.
How well do you have to know?
At ma-sidestep ko pa. Sa mukha.
Javad said the bristlebacks were first spotted west of the quarry. I should see if there's anything in the back of the valley.
CUs in the world.
Would you do me a favor and tell the suits about visiting hours? I'll never get better with them assaulting me day and night with their questions.
Must be part of the top brass's inquiry.
She's right, Snake. You should get some sleep. Although in your condition, you really ought to be back in the ICU. Whenever you save the game and quit, you'll go to sleep. Sleeping allows you to gain back stamina.
It's a piece of technology created by the old ones. And time's running out.
Well, I guess that's the reason, all right.
Matic daw pag Pokemon Legends 2. I think that's the A and Z, tama ba? Yung parang sequel ng Arceus. Sa casual, 'di ba? Ano yung feeling mo na nagpa-hook sa on the certain game, 'di ba? Minsan kasi yung mga
the mother of your special forces?
Yes, that's the one. And she took 2 miniature nuclear shells along with her.
The boss took 2.
Ito cobra to eh.
Why not, 'di ba? Punta sa mga templo, punta sa mga ano ba mga magagandang tanawin doon. Wait lang, nasaan yung comment section? But dito ako nagbabasa. Wait, what I call this? Na nagiging parang ang tawag dito? Nagiging advisor, no? Or some sort, parang ganyan. 'Di ba? And then syempre, doon din sa platform na 'yon, doon tayo bumibili ng games. That's why ito yung buy arrow papunta dun sa platform. So bumibili tayo, no?
Zero. I have a message from him.
What is it?
He said to tell you sorry for being so late.
'Diba? And then, syempre, dun din sa platform na yon, dun tayo bumibili ng games. That's why ito yung buy arrow papunta dun sa platform. So, bumibili tayo. No? Ano ka man. Diba? As long as, syempre, part ka nung tawag dito, part ka nung network. Pero yung iba
baka nandito. Wala ba dito? What?
Navan Kosygin in his place. The mastermind behind this plot is Colonel Volgin of the GRU. He has control over another secret weapons research facility much like this one, OKB.
Very applicable no? Yung mga leaders, no, nag-rise up from the millennials, no, from boomer, no, which is some
You know. Nakasabit.
bibili ng tao. Kumbaga parang meron ng transaction involved dyan. So, yun yung viability ng blockchain. No? Doon papasok yun. Kumbaga parang si Sony, okay, market.
He must die.
Wait. He's my apprentice.
Sa lahat ng bagay. Steady lang, Claudia, steady lang. Ano to? Alam mo, grabe kayo, no? Sana all daw ganyan.
Let go of me. Answer me.
If you slide down...
Alam ko si Lorenzo meron siyang collection ng ganon. So, pati yun, 'di ba? Tinatry din nating i-keep, tinatry din nating i-preserve yung mga magazines na 'yon, 'di ba?
Martin. Kung tayo X. Failed to deliver any star diagnosis and consistent condition of body. Base could not be identified. Cause unknown. Unfortunately, disease did not blossom. One eh. So baka ang volume 2 nun is for Ground Zero sa Phantom Pain.
This is Snake. Do you read me?
Loud and clear. Glad to see you.
Diba? And then yung mga review na makikita mo online. So try to pick at least yung very ang tawag dito, very passionate yung kanyang take.
Control, unidentified aircraft detected, altitude 30,000 feet.
Tawag doon, parang very comfortable, no, lifestyle. Syempre kailangan part ka ng working citizen, no? Kasi doon nanggagaling ang ano mo eh. Doon nanggagaling
Of a single action army.
That's right. There'll be no accidents this time.
You call that an accident? Well, it wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been showing up.
kan, 'di ba, maging retro games na yung mga modern games ngayon, madali na lang mabalikan yung mga 'yon. Pero para dun sa mga games prior dun sa technology ng
pag natapos natin yung MGS. Sige, MGS tayo mamaya. Mag-dinner lang ako saglit tapos
of NFT, parang ganyan. So, parang dito magkakaroon ng materialization, ano. So, meaning to say, kapag ginawa is instead of upload kasi nga, okay. Ang benefit kasi na tinitingnan ng mga tao or ng mga corporate is the monetary benefit. 'Di ba? Or let's
Okay. Ano ito?
Ito yung checking, no? Kung ikaw ba talaga yung nagmamay-ari nito or meron ka ba talagang ganitong game based dun sa record namin. Diba? Yun yung DRM. So kapag hindi na
Blossom.
Okay. So, pwede na ba tayong mag-discuss about the topic natin? Baka daw metaphor pa ang maging goatee.
Come on. Keep blocking, then use a heavy attack or a power attack to break through. Either that or hit them from behind.
Should be open to trade. I should see if they have anything useful before I send Wadis off to Barrenlight. Better see what that Karja magistrate...
This Nora girl? This savage? Besides Scallywag?
Wadis. That's Aloy.
Studious Wadis.
Aloy, you...
Tracks.
Kumbaga parang nandun na tayo sa time and age na we need to be we need to discern to ourselves, no? Kung ano yung gusto natin, ano yung something na 'di ba? Nagamit ko na this year yung sa akin. So parang yung next year hindi ko sure kung pwede na siyang gamitin ng January. So something na itatanong pera, yung currency sa person. So we make sure na yung value na yon is totally wala na dito sa central bank or sa bangko.
Snake, have you seen Earth
No? Anyway guys, so to be honest, yung intention ko for this stream, no, is supposedly tong content na to na maka-come up natin. Okay, ayun guys, no? Para lagi kayong updated kahit na hindi consistent yung streams natin. Please type exclamation point.
Then I'll be on my way.
No. The other marshals will not permit it. You wanted safe passage, you have it. After the embassy.
Bandage disinfect.
Point dito is that if meron kayong someone na pina-follow and very respectable yung ginagawa nila, no? And then sometimes, no, parang